Yeah, guys, let us start the class. Yeah, I have started recording. Okay. Okay. I think yesterday we have completed the operators concept. Am I correct, guys? And we have started, functions, input and output statements. Am I correct? Guys, please tell me. No? Yes. Okay. And we have seen list assertion also. Am I correct? And we have seen how to give in. అయిపోయిందా పాప చెప్తావా అంతే అది ఒక్కటి చాలు చాలు ఇట్స్ ఫైన్ ఓకే and we have seen how to give inputs from the keyboard itself. Okay, now let us restart from there. Okay, how to give multiple inputs in a various ways. Okay na? Okay, so suppose yesterday we have given space between the each and every number, and we have applied split. Now we'll give comma. We'll see how to separate. Okay, comma separate values. Okay, and we'll capture them in the new list. Okay, let us see how it will work. How it works. Okay. Okay, list equal to for x. Guys, I'm writing directly. Okay, input of please enter number split. See, guys, now I'm writing directly. Okay, na? Now whatever you're getting that this this will create a list. Okay, guys, this will create a list. Okay, na? Okay. Now from this list, each number will come to this x, and we'll convert that into just I'm writing directly int of x into int of x. Am I correct, guys? Okay, na? So Sunil, is it okay? Sunil.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
See, I was trying to give everything in a list, and I'm applying split function. Okay, this will give me a list. Okay, na? And from this list, each number will come to my x, and I'm just converting to int and multiplying. Okay, and I'm just storing in the new list. Okay. Okay. Print L. See, yesterday this alone I have taken in a top separate line, and I have I was assigning to some other list, and I was just traversing from the list, but I have written things bit directly. Okay. You see, 10, 20, 30. See, guys, is it okay? Guys, okay, right? So this is nothing but list assertion. In the same example, you are trying to read multiple values from the keyboard itself. Okay, guys. So here, Control C, Control B. Okay, now. Now, what we'll do? See, now if instead of giving space, if I want to give comma separated values, for that you should keep a comma over here so that compiler, the interpreter will understand it. Okay. See, you should give a comma separated values 10, comma 20, comma 30. Okay, guys. See, is it okay, guys? Okay, now let us. Okay, so in the same example, you can, if you suppose if you don't want to give it to list, suppose if I want to store in a three separate variables, like this also you can store. Okay, so you will enter three numbers with comma, and these three numbers, the squares of those three numbers will be sorry, print A comma print of B comma print of C. Okay, guys. Then 20. Okay, guys, see? So you can write like this also. If you don't want to give it to a list, if pakka only you are giving three numbers, you can give the three variables here and you can copy. Prashant, is it okay? Prashant, Sushmita, Deepthi. Guys, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll see what is eval function. Guys, any idea, guys, what is eval function? See, so far we have seen, square root function, math.py, input function, okay, int of input, something like that. And we have seen how to read input from the keyboard, okay. And now we'll see eval function. Guys, any idea?
It means we can take any input data, either it is enter, string, or
Something somewhat correct, yeah. Can you tell me exactly? Take a string as input, string and evaluate the result. Okay, now guys, let us see this, okay? So, x equal to eval of 10 plus 100 plus 30. Okay, see, this is a string, but it will evaluate and it will give you 60. Okay, guys? Okay, na? Okay, guys.
yeah, okay.
Okay, sure. Now, we'll give like this. We'll give the list. Let us print x and print type of x. Okay, na? So the type of x should be expected to print list. Correct? Am I correct, guys? Because I'm enclosed in square brackets. Ante kada? See, indakala string lo, we're giving some, arithmetic operations. That's why it will calculate the result. Now we are giving square brackets. That means the interpreter, sorry, the PVM will understood that, you are trying to evaluate the list. So it will convert to list. Okay, na? See, guys? Okay, na? Hello.
Okay. One minute. Before example, string ఇచ్చావు కదా, సో అది ఇంట్లోకి వచ్చింది. సో ఇక్కడ నువ్వు లిస్ట్ ఇస్తున్నావు, లిస్ట్ నుండి
not about string. Definitely string ఇస్తాము, but string in the form of arithmetic, in arithmetic statement earlier. So that arithmetic statement is being evaluated, and so it will convert to a number. But here it is a list, right? So it is just evaluated and it made this x as a list. అర్థమైందా?
Okay. And every time ఇంట్లో చేంజ్ చేయదు, జస్ట్ అంటే
It's not like that. Based on the situation. Suppose if I keep parenthesis, it will make a tuple.
tuple. Okay, fine.
అర్థమైందా? అది అంటే based on the situation, it will form, it will change its shape. Okay, so if you give set, it will give you set, అంతే కదా? So అదే అన్నమాట విషయం. So as I told, set the insertion order is not preserved. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, na? Okay, guys. Now, guys, any one of you have an idea about command line arguments? The next topic is command line arguments. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay. First, you should know what is ARGV. What is that? ARGV. Okay. Okay. Let us see that. Okay. So, manam Java lo, if you guys, any one of you have idea of Java, in that we'll write some main method like public static void main string args. గుర్తుందా ఎవరికైనా? I think Prashant might know కాదు, పక్క తెలుస్తుంది. See, if you're trying to give the arguments from the command line, command prompt, okay, these arguments will come to this ARGS. Here it is array, but in the Python, this ARGV is list. Okay, na? Okay, let me show you with example. Okay, then you will get a better understanding. Okay, is not array, is not array, it is list. Okay, guys, it is available in sys module. It is available in sys module. Okay, now guys. Okay. Okay. So if you know command line, how will compile, guys? How will run the code in Python? py dot file name dot py. Ante kada? Guys, this is the command to run the Python program. Okay. After that, you pass the arguments like this 10, 20, 30, 40. This argument will come to argv. Okay, na guys? అర్థమవుతుందా ఏమైనా guys, is it clear? See,
Can I repeat it again?
the argv of 0 has a file name. Okay, has file name, and argv of 1 has 10, 2 has 20, like that. Okay, let me execute the code and okay, yeah, don't worry, I'll execute the code and I'll show you. Okay, then you'll get a better understanding over this. How will import yeah, from sys, yeah, so I told this is from sys module. Okay, from sys import argv. Okay, now guys, first print type of argv. So what I told, it is expected to print list. Am I correct, guys? List. Okay, okay, guys. Now see, copy this path. Okay, guys, copy the path. Okay, here. Okay, see, till here you copy, go to the particular folder where the file is present. Okay, guys, copy till folder level. Okay, you can place over here. Okay, see, this program I want to execute, right? So open cmd from here, command prompt, type cmd, guys, cmd. See, I am in the folder where my file contains, where my file, I have reached to a folder where my file is stored. Okay, guys, now give python, what is the file name, guys? Into the file name, practice ki konచెం spelling mistake వచ్చింది. Okay, paradise. Okay, python paradise dot py. Okay, now it basically, it will just run the compile, run the program. Okay, see, it is giving the list like this also. So if you don't, if you run from the command prompt, you can give like this also. Okay, now okay, see, now print argv of 0, print argv of 1. Okay, guys, this 0 and 1, these arguments will give from the command prompt. Sunil, is it okay, Sunil? Are you following? Hello, Sunil, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you don't understand anything, you please ask me. Okay, don't hesitate to ask. See, guys, now see, I'm passing 10 and 20 from here. Okay, so this is the benefit. Okay, if you are trying to run from the command prompt, this is the benefit. Okay, guys, we can pass the command line arguments. This my practice, the file name will be stored in the 0th index, and 10 will be stored in the index 1, and 20 will be stored at index 2. Okay, in the list argv. What is the name? argv, which is from the sys module. Okay, guys, see. Okay, now see, 0th index, 1 index, and 2 index. Sushmita, is it clear? Sushmita? Okay. So you can pass any type of arguments. Okay, not only 10 and 20, you can pass, Sunil Tech and Sunil. You guys see like this. Okay, na? Adanamata. Okay. See, what is the type of if you give int also, suppose if you give type of arg2, even if you give integer also, that will come in string format, guys. Okay, please remember this. Okay. See, okay, now see if I gave 10 space 20, see they are printing in string format only, guys. Okay, suppose if you want to do some arithmetic operation, you should convert them to int. Okay, now. Sorry, I was teaching multiple languages actually, so that's why I was writing int again. Okay, right? Print of sum. Why it is getting error? 1 minute. List index out of range. Huh? Okay. Sorry. You should run from here, right? Sorry. Bad. Okay. Invalid print int with base 10. 1 minute.
R0 is.
Oh, sorry. That is sorry. It should be R1. Okay, na? 1 and 2. That is file name, kada? Yeah, I forgot that. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, na? Yeah. Suppose what if you're trying to print out of range? Suppose I gave only 2 arguments, but I was trying to print ARGVF 60 or 70 like that. What is the answer, guys, in line 7?
Error.
Exactly. What is the error? Index out of error. Okay, list index out of range. Okay, na? So, guys, please practice this program. Yeah, I'll paste. Okay, so now we have completed input statements. Okay, means what is there in Python 2? We have input and raw input. Am I correct, guys? But in Python 3, the raw input will change into input. Okay, but if you want any data type, you try to typecast it. That is how the input statements vary from Python 2 to Python 3. Now we'll see we have completed the input statements. Now we'll start with output statements. Output means printing statements. How many styles are there? Okay, how many formats? We can use the print statement. You'll see everything in detail. Okay, guys. Yes, here, in Vizag it is too hot actually. What about you guys? I think all are in Vizag. Shashan, how is Bangalore? Krishna, you are not there.
Yeah, well,
How is
afternoon it is very sunny, but it is hot, but not sweating. It is okay fine. Evening it is good.
and what about the water దొరకట్లేదు అంటున్నారు స్కేర్సిటీ వాటర్
అంటే నార్త్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్లా పైన అంటే కొన్ని ప్లేసెస్ లో ఉంటాయి బట్ మరీ అంత కాదు అంటే ఏదో ఎక్కువ రైన్స్ బెంగళూరు అంత కొంచెం వాటర్ స్కేర్సిటీ
మరి మీమ్స్ అయితే ఓతే కదా బెంగళూరు అంతా లేదని ఏదో చూపిస్తున్నారు మీమ్స్ లో ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్
కాదు కొన్ని ప్లేసెస్ లో లేదు బట్ బికాస్ దానివల్ల రెంట్స్ బాగా వచ్చేసారు
దానివల్ల
రెంట్ ఒక 4 పెంచేసారు
రెంట్ పెంచేసారా ఇదేంటిది ఓకే లేట్ ఇంక రెంట్ తగ్గించారు ఏమనుకున్నాను ఇంకా అంటే వాటర్ లేదు కదా ఫోన్లే పాపం అనుకున్నాను తగ్గించారు ఏమనుకున్నాను
దగ్గర వాటర్ స్కేర్సిటీ ఉందని
ఓకే మీ దగ్గర లేదు పెంచారా
అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో వస్తుంది
వర్క్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ ఇస్తున్నారంట కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ కి దీని బెంగళూరులో స్కేర్సిటీ వాటర్ వల్ల.
అవును ఇస్తున్నారు, బట్ తీసేసి రావచ్చు.
టీసీఎస్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు క్యాబ్. ఓకే, we can use print function to display output. Okay guys, okay na? So form 1, okay na, form 1, or you can say type 1. See, print without any character. Print without any character. So basically it will print in new line. Okay guys, suppose yeah, you can say like see, you can get a line like this. Okay, in Java this we can write a system.out.println guys. So that will give you the new line gap, but here print off. Okay guys, this is form 1. Okay, let us go for form 2. Okay, form the print without any character. Now form 2 is print with the characters. Okay na? Okay, so let us see uh, how this is nothing, just I was trying to generalize every case. Okay, print of Sunil Tech. Okay, so it will print of Sunil. Okay, so by default print, it will print, then it will go to next line. Okay, the execution will go to next line. Okay na? Let us see guys, like this. Okay na? Suppose if I keep a slash n, okay, in between, okay, then it will print in a new line. Okay, if we keep slash p, okay, it will give a tab space. Guys, I have already discussed this escape characters. Yes, okay na? See, like this. See, you can adjust console like accordingly. Okay, if you want a new line, go for slash n, or use print off. Okay, or you can use the tab space, you can use slash p, like that. Okay, guys, now very important thing, guys, note. Guys, are you practicing, guys, after the class? See, I'm only receiving assignments from Kathy only, okay, and Deepthi some of the assignments, but not regularly. Okay, I expect every one of you to solve this assignment. Whatever I'm teaching on the class, please try by your own, and please send to my mail ID. Okay, na, guys? See, if note, if both arguments are string type, then plus operator acts as a concatenation operator. Okay, guys. See, the second point is very, very important, guys. Going forward, we'll see a lot of things, and you'll see a lot of MCQs also in exams. Okay, if I'm saying if both arguments are string type, if the plus will act as a concatenation. Okay, that means concatenation means, guys, what is that concatenation? If one argument is string type and second is any other type, then what is expected, guys? Guys, anyone? See, suppose Sunil plus Kiran, okay, it will print Sunil Kiran. Suppose if I write Sunil plus some 10, what is the expected answer, guys, here? Error. Super, it is an error. Okay, guys. Yeah, sure, definitely. అంటే నేను మొత్తం ఇంకొక నోట్ ఉంది, అది రాసి చూపిద్దాం. ఓకే, లెట్ బి. print of, okay, Sunil plus tech. And print of Sunil tech plus 3. See, the second one is expected to be an error. Okay, na? See, guys, it is printing and second one is error. Okay, na, guys?
In this 3 in the format of string ఇలా ఇస్తే
అది again Sunil tech 3 అని వచ్చేస్తుంది. That's fine. అది string కదా.
Okay, you are trying to say we can't contain string plus
In any other data.
other data.
Ante, okay? Ante. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, the third note, okay? The third note, if both arguments are number type, if both arguments are number type, then plus operator acts as the arithmetic operator. It's very clear, right, guys? See, guys. Okay, guys, is it fine? The 3 node statements. The first one is string plus string. It's fine. If you are trying to append string with some other data type, it is an error. You know, int with int, it is arithmetic operator. Okay, na? Now, form 3, we have seen print without any argument. Okay, any argument, and you know, print with the argument. We have seen now print with multiple arguments, guys. Okay, form 3. Print with multiple number of arguments. Are you practicing the programs after the class?
I'm
Sushmita.
practicing remaining programs, but I will practice these ones.
Okay. Send me assignment also. A comma B comma C. Let us see. Okay. A comma B comma C. And 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, guys. See, now you can see ఎంతవరకు మనం only trying to print A, only trying to print B, but you can print everything at once. See, like this, A comma B comma C. Okay. Okay, na, guys. Again, you can append a string also here. Okay, in the output. Okay, like this, the values are. Okay. See, guys, the string separated by comma and see like this. Sushmita, is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. See, by default, they are separated by a space. Okay. But if you want to separate by a comma in the output console, guys, any idea how to format this statement? I want, you know, instead of space, I want a comma, or instead of space, I want a asterisk symbol. What should I do, guys? Guys, any idea, guys?
That symbol should be kept in quotation.
No, use a step. Okay, separator. Okay. So A comma B comma C, then use write SEP, step equal to. Is it fine, guys? See, SEP stands for separator. Okay, guys. See, you can see this output in a comma. Okay, now if you keep at the rate, you can get at the rate symbol, guys. Okay, na? Okay, guys. Guys, now my question is, the print will print in a new line, right? Each time. See, the print of A and print of B, like that it will print new line. But I want like all the print statement outputs to be in single line. Guys, did you got it? Like, what I was trying to say over here. See, I am saying, even though you write, suppose, print of Sunil Tech. Sunil, okay now. So these two statements print in a two separate lines, guys. Okay now. But if I want to print in the same line, okay, use end. Okay now. See, Sunil Tech, the PVM, Python virtual machine will print Sunil Tech, and it will see at the end there is space. Okay, it won't go to the new line. It will give you a space and it will wait in the same line, guys. Okay, now I can expect the output in the same line. Okay. See, guys, is it fine? Guys, I'm sure you should, you should be, natural, very casually, you should change the printing statement, guys. That is very important. Okay. Okay. ప్రశాంత్ అర్థమవుతుందా ప్రశాంత్? ఓకే. ఇట్లా మాట్లాడుతుంటే అంటే దామేస్తుంది బాగా కంటిన్యూస్ గా మాట్లాడుతుంటే. అంటే చాలా వేడిగా ఉంది ఇక్కడ అసలు. Guys, now we'll see, this is not the same form only. We'll see, print, print statement with the string appended with values. Guys, this is not that great. అది కూడా simple, but yeah, again, see, అంటే ఎంతవరకు అంటే it's not like that. Let us see. Okay. Print of, suppose here I kept int marks equal to 99. Sorry, not int. And grade equal to A grade. Okay, now guys. Now you'll see print of, guys, this print statement you should be able to write spontaneously. Yallagaina rasegalagalu. Okay, without errors. Okay, now that practice you should do. You should do in that level. You should practice this print statement. Okay, now. Okay, see, my marks are petty comma. What should I write? Marks. Ante kada? Instead of marks, my 99 will be replaced, and my grade is comma grade. Am I correct, guys? Okay, now. See, guys. Sushmita, fine. VP, Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we have only one form of print statement is left, guys. Okay. I feel we'll discuss that in a separate class, next class. Okay. Last form 4, you can say. With that, input output statements will be completed. And after that, we'll go to a new chapter called flow control. Okay. In that, we'll see if else, if, okay, for, while, do, while, everything we'll see. Okay. Now, just I was left with one form of print statement. Okay. That is bit typical. Okay. I will explain in the next class itself. Okay. That's it, guys. Okay. Guys, any doubts so far?